first have a doubt clearing classes, so we have to revise it the previous day, and also
I am Silpi Singh. I am in 2019 batch in IS Gurukul. Pranay sir is very friendly with the student. He cooperates us in every section of writing, teaching, and after taking class from him, especially my view is my writing pattern is changing and improving, and it improved day by day. And sir, after after class, sir contact with his student for discussing their problem. That helped much for the student. And sir also help when student get problem. They text sir on WhatsApp. Then at that same time, sir reply, and that also improve us our understanding. Thank you.
hello, I'm Utkarsha, and I've joined this IS Gurukul in June batch. I've joined this, like Pranay sir is really awesome in his doubt clearing sessions also. In the beginning, daily in our beginning classes, we first have a doubt clearing classes, so we have to revise it the previous day, and also and also his teaching style is also awesome. So like with because I was not having any sociology background, so because of this Pranay sir, it was very easy for me to cope up with everything, and now I'm doing very well in sociology. And also we had answer writing practices daily, a weekly basis we have answer writing practices, so my answer writing is also quite improved. So Pranay sir is good and awesome. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Vaishnavi Gehlot. I'm pursuing my classes with Pranay Agrawal sir for sociology optional, as I have begun with this journey with the thinking that I should be well aware of the society. And its very first stage जब मैं यहाँ पे आई थी तो सर ने कहा था that even though you will not clear this, you will be a good human. So he is always there for us. जो एक ऑप्शनल की स्टडी में जो भी चीज़ें नीडेड होती हैं, जो एक मेंटर को चीज़ें एक चीज़ नीडेड होती हैं, ही इज़ ऑलवेज देयर फॉर अस. हमारा क्लास अगर 5 तक ख़त्म हो जाता है, ही विल बी टिल 6 कि वो हमारे सारे डाउट्स क्लियर करेंगे. ही इज़ ऑलवेज अवेलेबल ऑन व्हाट्सएप. यू कैन कॉल एनी टाइम टू हिम. ही इज़ सो जनरस टू अस. ही ऑलवेज क्लियर एंड ही ऑलवेज मोटिवेट अस. एज इन फर्स्टली एक पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस है दैट मैं पूरा ऑप्शनल में लग गई थी. आई वॉज नॉट विद GS. सो ही सेड नो बेटा, ये नहीं चलेगा, आपको GS भी साथ में करना है. ही डज नॉट ओनली गाइड अस फॉर सोशियोलॉजी, ही ऑलवेज गाइड अस फॉर the other phase of preparation. And I'm really very thankful to him for always there for us and always mentoring us so well. And he is a very good at his work, that we are loving this subject, and now our every topic and every detailing is too clear that we can do it very good, and hope so we clear it with his mentoring and हम उनका नाम करें. Thank you sir.